Hey there, future LA condo owners. I'm Alexis, Estevez, your host. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing some essential tips on how to make your open house visits a great success. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking for your next investment, these tips will help you out. Tip number 1. Before you attend an open house, research the neighborhood, look into the safety, nearby amenities, schools, and commute times. LA neighborhoods can vary significantly, so it's crucial to find the one that suits your lifestyle. Tip number 2. Don't forget to bring essential documents like your pre-approval letter and identification. This shows the seller that you're a serious buyer and ready to make an offer if you find your dream condo. Tip number 3. Check for storage space. Condos often have limited storage space. During the open house, inspect closets, cabinets, and any available storage areas. Make sure there's enough room for your belongings. Tip 4. Test all appliances and fixtures. Turn on faucets, check the oven, and inspect the lighting. This will give you an idea of the condo's condition and potential maintenance needs. Tip 5. Measure the space. Measure rooms and spaces to ensure your furniture will fit comfortably. It's easy to get caught up in the aesthetics, but practicality matters too. Tip 6. After the open house, explore the neighborhood. Visit local shops, dine at nearby restaurants, and take a walk around. This helps you get a feel for the area. Tip 7. Bring a notepad or use your phone to take notes and photos. It can be challenging to remember all the details of multiple properties, so this will be a handy reference. Tip number 8. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask the listing agent questions. Inquire about the condo's history, any recent renovations, HOA fees, and the negotiation process. Well, that's it for my condo open house tips. Remember, finding the perfect condo in LA takes time and effort, so be patient and stay informed. Thanks for joining me today, and best of luck on your condo search in the City of Angels. See you next time. If you found these tips helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more LA real estate advice.